Okay.
How are you, ma'am?
Yeah,
How was your weekend?
yeah, it was good.
Okay, nice.
So, how is your health now?
I'm doing better now.
Mm-hmm.
Little better. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm going to Mumbai
Mm-hmm.
day after tomorrow.
Okay.
Yes. So till 24, I'm not here.
Okay.
So
So you'll
I'll
be
be
attending
checking
online.
online. Yeah, till then.
So it's okay to attend online, right?
Yes, yes. Online is okay.
Okay.
Some days maybe there will be up and down. My best friend's wedding is also there,
Mm-hmm.
so I will try. Most of the times I will attend, but if someday there is problem, then I might check with the recorded lecture or
Perfect.
anything.
Perfect, Sharon. But inform me one day before.
Yeah,
If you're
if
not
not one
somewhere,
day before morning,
sure,
if it is
doable.
sudden, uh, uh, I can't help it if it is sudden, but I
Sure,
will
sure.
try to inform you as early as possible.
Sure, sure, Sharon. No issues. Okay. Share your screen. We'll start with the sessions.
Yes, just 1 minute, ma'am. I'm
Sure.
sharing. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So open your website. Backend.
1 minute. Where is my website?
Login. Click on login.
Ma'am, can you tell me what should I type? Forgot.
So in the URL bar on the top,
Hmm.
your website link followed by forward slash. You got it on the bottom. For forward slash WP hyphen admin.
This one, right?
Yeah. No. Okay, let us wait. Okay. So now, what all the things we have done, mostly we have done with the backend, I guess. So we have worked on the setting. Did we work on the setting on this bottom? You have setting icon. Click on that. General setting. Okay. Add your tagline and your logo here.
Add tagline
Yeah.
and logo.
Yes.
Okay. Just a minute, ma'am.
Yes.
Getting an important office call. I'll
Okay.
ask them not to call now. Just give me a minute.
It's fine. It's fine.
सिर्फ एक एक्सरसाइज से आप अपना ब्रेस्ट फैट बैली फैट आपको अपने पैरों को इस तरीके से खोलना है अपने हाथों को इस तरीके से रखना वन
Yes, ma'am. Tagline I'll add. Uh, choose a site icon.
Okay. Give your tagline and
Add.
upload your logo.
I was not last. I was not able to upload the logo. I will try again now.
Okay.
Again, same error. There has been an error cropping your image. I don't know why it shows that.
Mm-hmm. Why does that so?
Same error. Some something is wrong.
Do one thing. Add this logo in your Canva and try to upload it again.
I'll check with this one
Okay.
once they are accepting this. No, same error. Okay, what should I do?
You have to upload your logo in Canva.
Hmm.
Upload it in the logo dimension. Download it and try to upload it here.
Oh, I did that.
Then also it's not happening.
Yes.
Okay, we'll check it. I will try to figure out the issue. Now go back. We will finish off all the other settings. Go back. Scroll down. After you need to add your tagline now.
Doesn't catalog.
Okay. Now scroll down. So site title you want to change, you can add it. So like B2B cleaning hub, it is no, don't click on this WordPress address. Don't change both the things. On the top you have site title.
Sorry.
First one.
On the top,
Yeah, site title.
site title. Yes.
You want to change it to your brand name, you can change it without .com. B2B cleaning hub.
Actual brand name is B2B. Only B2B.
Make it as B2B then. You want to add
I
capital
shall
B?
keep this B capital.
Yeah, B to B capital. Perfect. Now scroll down and save it. 1 minute, Sharon. Just scroll up. Can you find the time zone? Make it as Kolkata time zone. Type there KOL. You will get to see
Make it as
Kolkata.
Kolkata.
Yeah. Scroll
Done.
down and save it. Perfect. Now click on this reading setting. General is done. Click on reading. Okay. Your home display, it is not your latest page. Make it a static page. So whenever people come, type this link, they will be landed in the home page For that, we are doing the
Hmm.
settings. So in home page, select home. Click on the select drop down,
Hmm.
make it as home. So post page, what is the post page?
Hmm.
Blog. Did you create
Post.
a page, a blog page?
Yes,
When?
one I have created
No, no. I
that
am asking you.
top.
While creating pages, you have to type the name as blog and publish it. Did you do that?
No, I didn't do that
Okay, do it
either.
and add the blog page here. So all the blogs will be stored under that page.
Post page. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Now
Okay.
scroll down
So the
and save it.
static page, if we choose latest post, what will happen?
What all the pages you were
Whichever.
working on latest will be added in your home page.
Okay. And the home page display would be the latest post if I select this.
Yes.
If I'm selecting static page, means only this particular page would be opened when would be displayed when I open the website.
Exactly.
Okay, got it. Okay, post page blog. Right.
Now scroll down, save it. Save it,
Post
save it.
page. Later I'll add this.
Later you can change it. Create a page and add it here. That you can do it later.
Hmm. Done.
And now click on this permalink. Next to this reading in the same line, you have permalink. So it is post name. Okay. What is this? Is permalink structure followed by your brand name. Can you find that b2bcleaninghub.com forward slash homepage forward slash about us forward slash contact us. So this will be the uh, link structure.
Where is it?
It is selected by default post name.
Post name.
Yes, post means after your website name address, your page
Hmm.
name will be added.
Hmm.
That will be the link.
Okay.
Confused?
Sorry.
Did you get this or you're getting
No, I
confused?
didn't understand this.
Okay, save it. I will tell you what it is. Just save changes.
Okay.
Go to your front end, Shiron.
Hmm.
Right click on home. Okay. So here click on this about us page. About us. Can you find the link now? b2bcleaninghub.com. Post name is about
About us.
us. So this is what
About
we
us.
have done there.
Okay. Oh, okay, okay,
Click on
okay.
contact us now.
Contact us.
Yes.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Okay. So
This is
settings.
permalink.
Yeah. So we have worked on the
Hmm.
setting. So we are going to work on the front end designing part now. So stay there, stay there. So this is your front end. We are going to design it now. Front end. Perfect. Wait. And next to this WordPress icon, can you find a icon there? Next to WordPress icon? Yes. There can you find theme customizer?
Hmm.
Last option, theme customizer.
Oh, oh, okay.
Okay. Click on this general settings first. So this all is for designing purpose, front end designing. Site identity, click on that.
Hmm.
So here you can change your site title, tagline, and add your site icon. So hope you will not be able to add it. This you can do it later. And once it is done, you have to publish it on the top. Can you find publish button there? Yes. Okay.
Once I select this, I have to publish it.
Yes.
No, I'm not able to do it, right?
Try it or let me know if it's not uploaded. Skip cropping. Try the skip cropping. It
Hmm.
is added, no? Publish it.
Yes.
So can you see that on the top where it is changed on the tab? Now you can find this logo. Tab,
Where?
tab. Where is your tab?
Your.
Yes, there you can find the logo now. Just like a
Hmm.
Canva, WhatsApp, Meet logo. So
Hmm.
that is what the
This is not natural, right? Background has also added.
yeah, you need to remove it and add it.
Hmm.
Okay. So understand it so that skip. Yes. Now
Publish.
it is added, right?
It looks weird, but
You want it to be bigger,
yeah.
then you have to work on the logo. Make it bigger,
Hmm.
save it, and come here, just change it.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay. Now go
Hmm.
back, go back. Close that, close. Yeah. Next is just go outside. Header and navigation. Click on that header and navigation. Second one. Header format. First one. Header format. Shh. Okay. Enable vertical navigation. Turn on that option. Can you see the changes? If you want your homepage about us should be on the left side or right side, just like this. On the bottom, you have left. Click on that left and make it as right and see the changes happening. Got it
It
right?
all came
Right side, can you find
right.
the. Okay.
Uh,
If you want
got
it to
it.
be vertical, then pick this option. Otherwise, if you want it to be in the top itself, then ignore it. Turn off it.
Okay. Top is better, no?
Yes. Publish it. Jade appa inga. Okay. Now come back. Primary menu bar.
In that only.
So make the full width. This is for logo. Click on this make full width. Turn on it. So this is the maximum width. Hide logo. If you don't want that logo to be added in your home page, click on that hide logo
Hmm.
name image.
Oh,
Okay.
got it.
Image.
Make full width.
Yeah, wait. We can increase it. On the bottom, you have the option. Menu height.
Oh,
Increase it and check it. Menu height. Just drag it. See the changes happening in the primary menu.
hmm.
So this is all the designing part. You want to do it in your front end. You can explore this options. Text size, text letter spacing, logo maximum height. Try to increase the logo maximum height
Hmm.
and font style. We have font on the bottom. So text
Hmm.
color, active link color means, wait a minute. Text color is about us, home, contact us, everything is the text color. Okay, primary menu bar
Hmm.
color. Active link means we are currently in the home page. So it is showing that it is, so just to indicate that we are in the home page, the active link color is blue in color.
Hmm.
So if you want to change that color too,
Okay.
it is available there. The option is available. You can change the color. So you want to give some brand
Hmm.
color or you want to follow the brand color, then you can go with the options available there.
Correct.
Hmm? So I will give
Got-
you 15 minutes time, Sharon, to explore all the options available in the theme customizer. Explore it. If you have any doubt, please let me know.
Okay.
Similarly, we have secondary menu, footer icon, everything. The side, the designing part, and the colors, font styles, everything.
Hmm.
Just explore it by yourself.
Okay.
Done, Sharon?
Yes, ma'am.
Theme customizer is done, right?
Yeah, that is done.
Okay. So shall we move on to the designing part?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Now click on this enable visual builder on the top. So whenever you want to work on the page, you have to click on this enable visual builder. Then only you can start working on the page. Okay.
Okay. What is this exactly? Like editing
Yes,
type.
editing. So we are ready to start the editing thing.
Okay. One second, I'll note down this. In theme customizer.
Yes.
Page editing. Hmm.
Click on this
Done.
enable visual builder. Okay. Skip the two. Click on start building.
Start building.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can find three options here. Build from
Hmm.
scratch, choose a pre-made template, and the last one is clone the existing page.
Hmm.
What does it mean is, first is you will not be able to so everything you're going to build from scratch. First option.
Hmm.
A blank page will be added. Second one is you
Hmm.
can choose the pre-made layout, just like Canva, how we use the template,
Hmm.
that can be
Correct.
done. Third one is the clone the existing page. You have designed one page and you want the same page to be added in the second page. For example, in your product page, you have designed your mop page. Second is your cleaning or something page. So you want both
Hmm.
should be similar, but you want to change the image alone. So what you can do? You can clone the page and change the images alone.
Okay.
Hmm? So we will build from scratch first.
Okay.
Click on start building. Understand this thing. First thing is we have, okay, click on the first uh, box, one box, close this pop up. Perfect. Just click on the outer box. So now can you find three box plus button there? One is black,
Correct.
second one is green, and the third one is blue color. So blue color plus icon is for section. If you want to add a section, you have to click on this blue color plus icon. Inside a section, we have multiple row. Okay,
Hmm.
green is for row. Inside the rows, we have module.
Module.
Yes, so you have to note this, take a note of this. Plus, blue is for section, green is for a row, and black is for module.
This is all inside. Where we came inside.
A
This
page,
all plus
home
and
page, home page. When you click on
okay.
start building, you will get to see this option.
Got it. Start building. Click. From scratch. So this blue plus is for
Section.
section.
Green is for row.
Section. Green is for row, and black or gray is for module.
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay, got.
Okay. Now add a new section, Shiron. How to add a new section?
Hmm.
A regular. So now you can decide you want one row or a two row or a three column and the first. Make it as two for now.
Hmm.
Okay. Two module can be added in a single row. Close this pop-up. Now we will see how to change the color of the background of a section and the row. Now click on
Oh.
this blue color setting icon, row. Yeah. Now can you find blue color setting icon will be on the left side.
Hmm.
Left top you have blue color setting icon. Second icon. Yeah. We call it as
Hmm.
gear icon. Click on that. Background. Add background color. Choose some other color. Tick
Oh,
mark it.
this is too dark.
Click on the filter icon. Filler icon. Mm, three dots. Three dots. Scroll down. Hmm. We will have multiple color options. Click on global. Mhm. Double tap on that red color ones.
This red
Yeah.
color.
Double tap on the inside the rectangle box. No.
The ear.
Yeah, yeah. Delete it.
Hmm.
You will find multiple color options. Okay, just click on saved and use the color for now. Save. Do it again. Background. Add color. I will explore that option later. First, finish off this color. Add a
Hmm.
color. So just for designing, Sharon, we will explore. We are going to delete all these things and we will design a website from scratch. For now, give the red color. I will let you know. Tick mark it. Okay, so this is section. We have changed the background of the section. Now I want you to change the color of the row. How do you do that? Perfect. Scroll down. Make it as the next color, yellow.
Hmm.
So you know how to change the color of the row and section background.
Yes.
Add a new section again. Bottom, regular. Jaden, where are you?
Which one?
Anything. One, first one. Close this pop-up. Change the color of this section now. Okay, background. So first thing is color. We have added the color. Click on the second option available next to that paint. Yeah. Add the background gradient color. What is gradient color? Is combination of two colors. Click on add
Oh,
background gradient. So can you find two colors now? You can
yes.
change the color of the blue and green to some other color if you want.
We have limited color options
Yeah,
like
no,
all
no, no. We have
these.
multiple color options. I don't know why it is not showing in your screen. Let me check it. Please, Jaden. साथ में मुड़ी. Jaden. Click on that blue color first.
Which
Select the color to red. Just explore it. Red, red. Did you select it?
yes.
Okay. Click on the green color. Select color.
Uh,
Green, green, Sharon. Huh.
Red, and this one I'll select any orange, yellow,
Yeah.
whatever.
So this is how you will select the gradient colors.
Hmm.
Got it? We'll see.
Okay.
We will see. We will have multiple color options, just like Canva. I will show you how. Add a new
Hmm.
section for now. Okay. Let us change the color of the row. Make it as a radiant color. Gradient.
Okay.
J. Yeah.
Where to go?
Background.
Hmm.
Jaden. Come back.
Why this pop-up is coming in between?
That is a color code of this yellow, blue color.
Hmm. I'm not able to select white and black because of that.
Mm-hmm.
It's not getting shifted also. Are these the multiple colors?
No, no, we have white, like just like Canva, we have in red itself, we have lot of red colors. That's what I
Oh yeah.
click on global. Just like this. No, no, actually
Mm.
it is the gradient color, I guess. Yeah. So
Mm.
we'll check it, Sharon. Click on global.
Oh,
Next to save, we have global colors. Mm-hmm. Click on the color again. So we'll see after a few minutes.
okay.
Okay, now click tick mark it and add a new section. One. So close this. This time we are going to add a image as a background. Click on that setting again, background. Third one, add any image as the background. Middle one, select the middle one. Upload. See, image is added as a background. Tick mark it. If you want to increase the length, you have to drag it.
Okay.
You will find both side arrow icon. Click on this blue color line on the bottom line. Ha ha.
This one.
No, next to that. Can you find the arrow? Ha,
Hmm.
drag it. Yes.
Mm.
Just like this, you can drag the image. Okay. The next thing is add a new section. And this time we are going to add a video as a background.
In the wrong place.
Yeah, you have added it
Yes.
in the row. You need to add it in the section. Take mark it. Now you will be able to see the video. Basic now class. Okay. So now you know how to add the row section and also how to give the background color, gradient color, images and video as a background. Now add a new section on the bottom, a regular, first one. So this is called as module. Don't close it. So this is called as module. So we will explore all the modules available in the WordPress. First one is accordion. What is accordion is frequently asked questions can be added in the accordion section. Okay, let me explain you how. Click on this accordion, open a new tab and type there Inspire. Go to Inspire website, inspire.in. Okay, scroll down.
One second.
Scroll down. Even more down. Okay, go to About Us. Wait. Mm, just scroll little up, Sharon. Let me check it. Move to the top, little up. Go to our resources page. No. Course, digital marketing. Fine. Click on any of the pages. Close it and close. Scroll down. Scroll down. Wait, stay there, stay there. We have 10 points here, correct? Click on any
Hmm.
of the number one, five, click on number five. So this one is called as accordion. So frequently asked questions will be added here. For example, people want to know what is the price of a mop. Then what they will do,
Hmm.
they will keep on asking you, or they will DM you in your Instagram, Facebook, or something else. So to avoid
Hmm.
that, you can create a accordion section, that is the frequently asked questions. You can write the frequently asked questions with the answer, so people can go to your webs come to your website, click on the question and find the answer there. Just like the Google,
Okay.
Amazon review, sorry, Amazon
Okay.
question answers, customer, what is that?
Care support.
Yeah, so people, if people would have asked some questions, frequently asked question, is that washable or it is a dry clean one? Amazon would have replied to their questions. Why? So when we have the similar questions, we can find the answers there.
Hmm.
So just like that, we
Okay.
are going to create the question and answer column in your website. Just go back to your website now. J, do it neatly, romba neata. Okay. Can you find the first setting icon? Your title goes here, setting icon.
Hmm.
Click on the setting icon, Sharon.
Your voice is breaking.
Can you hear me now? Hello.
Now I can hear you.
Okay. Click on the first setting icon. Delete the title and type your question there. Your title goes here. Write any frequently asked questions from your customer.
Currently.
Now write the answer at the bottom. Scroll down. Delete this. Your content goes here completely and write the answer. Okay. So tick mark it now. Finish it, finish it. So can you find the first question is added on the middle of the screen?
Yes.
Tick mark it now. Add the second question in the second thing. Similarly, okay, I want you to add five questions. Click on the plus icon on the bottom. Plus in the middle of So third questions will be added here. Tick mark it again. Tick mark it. So now we have added three
Mm.
questions. I want you to add two more and make it as five. Five frequently asked question and answer has to be added. Then we will move on to the next module.
Okay.
Okay. So did you check how it is working? Click on the question, you will get to read the answer. Can you? Okay.
Hmm.
So here what you have to do with Shiron, you have to click on Control Yes every time you do some changes. Then only it will be saved. Control Yes.
Done.
Done?
Yes.
Okay. Now add the next module. How to add a new module?
Module.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Black color plus icon.
Hmm.
No, below
Searching
that you
for
will get
that.
it. Below. Scroll to the bottom.
Hmm. Got it.
The second module what we have is audio. Click on the audio.
Hmm.
Hope you have an audio file in your thing. So this may not be useful in your business website, but in some case, so just like in Pixabay how they are adding the audio. Hope you have
Hmm.
visited Pixabay and downloaded the music there. So you can add a
Yes. I have.
title name, title of the song. For example, give any song name which
Hmm.
you like.
Song. Hmm. Movie song.
Yeah, anything. Just for understanding.
No. Okay. Sayara, maybe. Sayara, maybe.
Okay, type it in the title. Delete the your title goes here and type it there.
Hmm.
And who is the artist? Like who is the singer?
Hmm. Have to check.
Just give any name. Your singer, any singer name you might have known.
Um, Arijit
And what is the
Singh.
album it belongs to? Movie name or album name?
Okay, the song is maybe movie name is yeah. Okay,
Now scroll down. Add the audio.
add audio. Okay.
Hope you have an audio file in your gallery.
Mm,
That day I told you to add one music in your library. Did you do that? MP3 file?
music.
Yeah, any music, background music or anything.
No, I have podcast with
Add it
me.
then.
சொல்லுங்க.
Okay, done, right? Now you can play the file. Click on the play button. So this is how it will happen. Like you can change the, like you can add any audio. Even your podcast can be added in your website.
Hmm.
Okay, so that's all for
Okay.
the day, Sharon. So we will see all the other
Okay.
modules. We will be exploring the modules one by one in the upcoming classes.
Okay.
So try to
So
change. Mm.
for whom this audio thing is um,
So this is
useful,
required for the website
give-
like Pixabay. Open Pixabay.
hmm.
Music. Click on music. So just like this, they have added the music file here with the image.
Okay, so all the Spotify, then all those Wink Music apps, for their website it is
Yes.
useful.
Yes.
Got it. Okay. For podcast website maybe.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what is the
Got
task? You
it.
have to create a new page, blog page, and add it in your blog page, in a post page, in the backend.
Uh, Block page as an example.
I told you to create
Uh,
a blog page. Just go to your backend, add new page, name it as blog,
hmm,
and publish it twice.
okay. Blog related to anything related to my, of course, my business,
No,
but
no, no. You don't need to write a blog, Sharon. Understand? I want you to create a page alone.
only page,
Yes.
like blank page.
Yeah, how you have created in home, about us, and contact us page.
Okay. Okay. So like that, two blog pages you
Only
want me
one
to
blog
create
page.
one blog page
Yeah.
and then post it
And in
where?
setting, we were exploring the settings. In the
Correct.
beginning of the class, we made it as a static
Correct.
page and we selected home page in the home.
Correct.
Below, we
It
had
was in
post page.
permalinks or
Reading, it will be in reading.
reading, right?
I want
Okay.
you to choose the
And
blog page from the post page.
okay, done.
Got it
I'll
right?
do that. Got it.
Okay, Sharon, then. We'll continue tomorrow.
Okay.
Bye bye. Take care.
Okay, ma'am. I wanted to show you my catalog that I've prepared. Can
Okay,
I?
okay. Is that done completely?
Yeah, it is completely done. Just few one changes and then I'm ready to go.
Perfect.
Can I review?
Yeah, yeah, scroll down.
Review. Scroll down normally. Okay.
Okay, about us, tagline you have added. About us. Why about us again? On the top, you have given about us as a heading.
Basically, these all are heading. So this is about us, like everything about the brand, tagline about us, why choose us,
Yeah, I
like that.
understand, but twice the about us is repeated.
These are the subheadings in about
I
us.
understand, Sharon, but still it's
Okay.
not looking good. You can add some other alternative text for about us.
So your
Yes.
I should change. What can I
Who
write?
we are, who we are, something like that.
Okay, I'll find a substitute name for
Yes.
substitute. I'll do that.
Yes. Scroll down. Why
Also, the
chooses?
changes I'll here add 32 years logo and everything.
Uh-huh.
Here I'll do that.
Okay.
That 34 years experience, then global something images are there, two,
Yeah,
three.
yeah, yeah. You can add it.
People add that. That I'll do. Normal.
Mm-hmm.
Mop section.
Perfect. You have arranged everything beautifully.
Thank you, ma'am.
It's really good.
wiper section,
Perfect.